Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to get your custom keyboards, like so. I'll show you what mine looks like. Wait, don't have it on. But you go into your app store. You type in Cheetah. I don't know how to spell Cheetah. Cheetah keyboard, the first one that pops up. You press install. Well, obviously.
Oh, yeah, but you see him?
When it's installed, we'll see you back when it's installed. Okay, when it says open, you press it. It'll ask all these questions. You just keep on pressing enable. Once you've done that, you just keep going until really you're done with this, and it'll let you in. Press OK, and then somewhere over here, you're just gonna. Or you gotta do this. And you press DIY. Choose anything you want. For today, I'm gonna choose like marshmallow. So the marshmallow's lit. You can choose anything you want here. Any one of them. I think I'm gonna choose the black one because it stands out. And then I'm gonna change my color to like purple. Neon green looks good. I'm gonna change it to like this. I'm gonna change it to this color, like this. Then you can choose if you want sounds, and you can choose if you want those. Today I'm not gonna. I'm gonna name this Whoa. And I'm not gonna put my email in. There you go. Now whenever you go text someone, you have your personal keyboard. And that'll be it for today.